Alright, it's time to unbox a couple of fans, as if I don't have enough of them already. Okay, outer box is off, and here we go. This has the original box. This is another Air King PL20P. If you've watched my videos, you know I already have one of these with a Westinghouse motor. This one has a General Electric motor in it. So this will be my second fan with a GE motor, or a GE export motor, that is. I have a JCPenney 9711 with the same motor. So I'm going to take this out of here. Let me take a closer look at the box. This one's a 2-speed. The one with the Westinghouse motor is a 3-speed. And here it is. It looks pretty much the same as the other one that I have over there, except it's just 2 speeds instead of 3 speeds. Let me take you around the back. And there you can see well, you can probably barely see it, but it's a GE export motor, and it's kind of dusty, so I'll be cleaning that. But the rest of this fan is in pretty much mint condition. I don't see any scratches on this thing at all. A couple of protruding dents right there, but other than that, this thing is in excellent condition. So I'm going to turn the air conditioner off in just a second, and we'll listen to this thing run. It is now plugged in. It's not missing any slats. It's in very good condition. The color is slightly lighter than the color on this other one here. And the switches are different. The switch plates are different. This one says 2.7 amps. And here's the switch plate on the other one. I believe this one also says 2.7 amps. And it's got the Air King logo on it. So, without further ado, let's start it up on high speed. Nice and quiet and powerful. Seems to be very well balanced. Low. It's got a nice quiet low speed. Check out the spin down time. Not bad at all. And another thing, if you've never seen this one before, it also has this, which I think is really cool. So, now I got 2 of them. I'll give you a startup sound in just a second here. And I'll do low speed. For this one. If you want to see a video of the other one, I have a video of it on my channel already, so just go ahead and take a look. But that's it. Thanks for watching. We're gonna do the other one next. Here it is, high speed.